Hi guys, the school bus showed up late. The kids are already late. It's their classes will start around 9:30. So the kids are already late. The bus showed up around 9:20. And then when I asked the bus driver, she told me that the real bus driver didn't show up. So she had to come and get the kids. Some of the kids thought that the bus come early. So what they did is they went home. It happens here most of the time because they lock up bus driver. And it's not good for the kids because the kids wake up early so they can catch the bus early and go to school early. The bus don't show up. It's not right because it is the kids who suffers the most. I hope they can do something about it soon as possible.